Because after all, it is not the end product what you prefer to like it, because once it is complete, the work is over. You will never think of that. It's basically a journey for me. I am Nemiraj Shetty. So I am an artist, visual artist basically. My area of specialization is art critical theories and art history. So that I was studied in MS University of Baroda. I've been in the art field for more than 35 years now, engaging myself as an artist, a teacher, and as a curator and a gallerist. I was always interested in art. I wanted to become an artist. My influence was more towards expressionist art, particularly German expressionists and of course Indian expressionists too. I used to work in that terms where you don't have to think or work with realistic forms, instead more expressive forms. Then eventually or slowly I turned into conceptual art, more of thought provoking arts or thought provoking experiments I started working with.
This is your present art, right?
This is my art, yeah.
So this is abstract.
Yeah.
What is abstract art?
It's basically non-representational art. In the sense, when we go to an art gallery, when you are in front of a painting or anything for that matter, you ask a question like what it is. What it is means we want to connect ourselves with that painting, with the identical forms or shapes or something, so that we can identify, oh, this is man, this is a woman.
Something that we already know.
Yeah, already know.
But this forces a person to imagine.
Now this is also it doesn't allow you to imagine also, because there is nothing for you to imagine. This can be this can be that, like. So there's the beauty of abstract art.
It does not have concrete rules, right? It is more fluid.
It is fluid. We have rules, we make our own rules. If you ask me what it is, it is very difficult for me to explain you what it is, because there is no thoughts involved in the painting. But it is the process. Okay. Secondly, there is no representation forms in this, so that you don't find anything, and I expect you not to try find anything. That's the whole idea about these paintings. Abstract art is basically an experience itself. The artist who has experienced that. So in my case, I experienced that while I paint it. Okay. So I want to give similar kind of experience to the audience, viewers. So standing in front of the canvas, they need not think what it is. Instead, let them experience it. And if they don't experience, fine. Doesn't matter.
Also is an experience, though.
Yeah. That's also an experience. Yeah, I don't start with the previous idea. Yeah, it's a blank. I start from the blank and I fill up colors.
Yeah, and it comes spontaneously.
It comes spontaneously. then I balance it. It's like our dreams or thoughts. It's very difficult to control thoughts, because thoughts come and thoughts go. So now we try to, codify or try to bring them together and channelize it. In the sense, thought has to be channelized in a particular when it is particular manner, then it becomes a productive thing. There will be a product. If it is not channelized, then thoughts come and thoughts go. It doesn't remain anything. So similarly, these experiences are also like that. So there are a lot of things we try to experience and things. Then on a canvas, we need to channelize that. Kind of bring them together on that. Then put it up. Then try to balance. So if you end product, I think it should be balanced properly. So the colors, the forms, the lines, the movement. So it's actually, I like this painting very much because the kind of because first I made this canvas. Okay. Then I was it was an incomplete canvas altogether. I did not feel it is a complete one. Then I made this canvas after that, as separate canvas. Okay. Then I saw that there is a lot of, I felt more of a kind of inconvenient in both the canvases. I didn't like it. Then at one point of time, I joined both of them. Okay. Then I found a kind of harmony and a connection between this and that. This is a lot of haphazardness is there in this, that I like it, because that is what I wanted over here. There is a lot of, structure is there. Okay. So this structure and this kind of, non-structure, something that together, I think I connected both the canvases, bridged between, built a bridge between those two and created one. This is basically a diptych. Okay, two canvases together. And of course, right now, I like this painting. Yeah, like anything. It's always not like that. Always you may not be able to find it in this manner. Or sometimes you may keep three canvases together.
The process can be different. Or the
Yeah. So it's totally, well balanced, beautifully, structured painting now. End of the day, yes, we also need to have an audience or a sahridaya. So that sahridaya, if one or two sahridayas do enjoy this, nothing like that. Okay, experience it, nothing like that.